I just received my Thomas Nelson review box with several review copies that I asked for. So I know what's in this box, and it tells me here on the description, but I've not seen them in person. So I decided to go ahead and do another unboxing and let you see them when I see them. So we will go ahead and open this here box and see what we got inside. Probably should sharpen my knife. There we go. Let's see what we have here. Alright. So starting at the top one, it is the Garden Children's Bible. That looks interesting. Hardcover, lots of illustrations. I'm going to go ahead and open the rest of these and get this box out of the way because it's a little bit in the way. Yeah, let's do this one first. Hang on. I'll get there. Okay, let's start that again. Alright. Garden Children's Bible. Good hand-sized Bible, personal size. And personal size can mean lots of different things, but in this case, it's the one that I really consider the personal size, which is about a 5x8 in that range. Looks interesting. Lots of little color in there. So reviews will be coming soon for all of these. We did get these in exchange for an honest review. And that one is the International Children's Bible from Thomas Nelson. Then we have a compact reference Bible. This one is in New King James, and it is the zippered version. I'm going to try to get Lucinda to review this one. And she'll be carrying this one around. So that's a double column with references in the footer, following the Quintel design. Red letter edition. Looks to be about a 8-point font, maybe, just as a guess. It's a good looking edition right there. So there's the specs on it. 7-point font. I started to say 7. That one looks pretty good. And then we got the Evangelical Study Bible. It's a leather edition. It looks like cowhide. I don't know that it is, but it looks like it. 10.5-point font. So there's what it looks like. Center column reference. Looks like the typical New King James Study Bible. So we'll dig into that and see, of course. See what all's in here. Looks like a few illustrations or pictures or something. So there's a photo. Yeah, full color. So I'll have to separate these pages and get to using this one. Lots of illustrations. That looks good. It's a good looking Bible. So I'll do. I'll use this for a little while and see what it is. That one looks interesting. It's also a New King James. New King James. And then finally, the New King James Thin Line Edition of the McLaren. Now this is actually a version of the regular Thin Line Edition, which I have right here. Which I happen to have in Premier Collection, which also takes design cues from the Quintel. So it's a double column edition with notes in the footer. This is the same Bible, so if we go to 432, it's the same Bible, but it's got some key differences. Blue highlights instead of red. Let's see, 432. So there we go. Hezekiah reigns in Judah, chapter 29 of 2 Chronicles. So there we go. It's the same Bible. One of my favorites, actually. I like that a lot. So this one is a little bit different. It's got some interesting page edges. I like those patterns that they put on there. It looks pretty interesting. And then I don't know what else is different. If there are any other differences, I'll have to use this for a little bit and see. But that is a excellent looking leather. So I will be using these for a little while. I do have a few reviews ahead of them, and then I will get onto these reviews as soon as I can. I like the blue highlights in that. I've had a lot of people mention that they like blue. I have some friends that are colorblind, and so some colors work better for them than others, and I think blue is the one that they liked over the red. I like both. Both look really good. So there are 4 Thomas Nelson review copies that will be coming soon. So be watching for these. A little bit of trivia. Yesterday was Bible Buying Guide's 12th birthday. BibleBuyingGuide.com. Been reviewing Bibles since 2011 at that website. So that's kept me busy for a while. I appreciate everyone that's shared our reviews, that's watched our reviews, read our reviews, commented, and made purchases through our links, because that does help keep the website running. I appreciate that very much. So stay tuned for the reviews. Get this one back out of the way. And I'd like to thank Thomas Nelson for sending these in exchange for an honest review. And thanks for watching.